Good evening, how's it going? Today I'm recording my talk as an improvised speech. As I mentioned earlier, I do English practice using improvised speech and prepared one alternatively. But now I'm slacking off this habit because recently I've buried under the tons of tasks, including looking after my intern and leading to our team one of my project, and have to um, implement the experiment setting software for motion control like that. Yeah, I have to deal with a lot of things as my job. All right. Anyway, without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. I'd like to cover three things today. At first, I'd like to practice the word I couldn't use today's lesson on native cam, casualty. I mean, I'd like to describe the injured, the death, at, in the one word. Then my tutor told me the word casualties. Alright, so what I wanted to say was, even though a devastating earthquake happened in Philippines, I'm reassured that there is no casualties. I think it's a happiness in the disaster, no hard feeling. And also, we are having alarms given powered by government when natural disaster happened. Like cell phone suddenly get us alarm loudly, very loudly when these things happen, including earthquake. In my opinion, it's a bit annoying and irritating. Most of the case, we don't have significant damage since the earthquakes or other natural disasters are not huge. That's why. But one thing I'm worried about is getting used to these false alarms is make it harder for us to differentiate true disaster, right? This is a problem, I think. All right, let's move on to the next topic. Next one is like today I talked with my intern regarding tiling algorithm. Tiling means divide the whole area in order to make the calculation easier. See, if we want to handle a huge data, for example, more than 5 gigabyte or 10 gigabyte, then we couldn't store the whole things at the same time in our PC memory. So in that case, we couldn't apply geometric algorithm onto it simultaneously. So this is a problem. We'd like to extract some information, geometrical information from that image. Then tiling is very useful. Tiling means divide the whole area into several area. I mean, if I divide three parts horizontally and vertically, in that case we can retrieve 9 parts of the area from whole data. So then memory reduction happened. See, if we want to apply the geometric algorithm into the one of them, I mean separated data, then memory is reduced compared to original one. So we can apply our algorithm easily. If I divide the area small enough to apply the algorithm. But problem happened. How to deal with the area which is the border between each separated area. This is a problem, and also this is a very rewarding point for engineers. And today, no, yesterday, I give my intern to deal with this problem, and then she gave me some sparked idea today. So we discuss something about related to this algorithm tiling. And tomorrow she will give our team a presentation about her progress and her idea at this stage. I'm really looking forward to hearing her presentation. All right. So one of thing I'd like to cover in this YouTube video, I'm so sorry about it. I just forgot it. Maybe next video, if I could record it, I would try to speak again. Anyway, thank you for listening today as well. Have a good night. Bye.